Around the world, there are special waterways that connect oceans, shorten travel routes, and allow ships to move across continents. And these waterways, known as canals, have completely changed how people trade, travel, and connect with each other. Unlike rivers, which are natural, canals are carefully built by humans, often through difficult land, mountains, or desert, in order to create faster and more efficient routes for ships, saving both time and energy. One of the most famous examples is the Suez Canal, a narrow but extremely important waterway that connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. Before this canal was built, ships traveling between Europe and Asia had to go around the entire continent of Africa, which could take weeks longer. The Suez Canal allows ships to pass through directly, making global trade much faster and more efficient. Every day, large cargo ships carry oil, food, and goods through this canal, making it one of the busiest and most important routes in the world. Another important canal is the Panama Canal, which connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Unlike the Suez Canal, the Panama Canal uses a system of locks, which are large water chambers that lift ships up and then lower them down as they move across land at different heights. This system is a remarkable example of human engineering because it allows massive ships to move across a region that is not flat. Without this canal, ships would have to travel all the way around South America, which would take much more time and fuel. However, not all important waterways are built by humans. Some are natural, like the Strait of Hormuz, which is one of the most critical routes for global energy supply. This narrow passage connects the Persian Gulf to the open ocean, and a large percentage of the world's oil must pass through it every day. Because it is so narrow, it can easily become a point of tension, and any problem in this area can quickly affect global energy, prices, and economies. Canals and straits are important because they help reduce travel distance, save fuel, and allow goods to move quickly around the world. They form a global network that connects countries and supports international trade. Without them, many products would take longer to reach their destination, and costs would increase. However, these waterways are not without risk. Heavy ship traffic, accidents, and political conflicts can sometimes interfere with their operation. For example, when a large ship blocked the Suez Canal in 2021, it caused delays around the world, showing how dependent we are on these narrow routes. Building canals is also extremely difficult. It requires years of planning, large amounts of money, and advanced technology, because engineers must cut through land, control water levels, and make sure ships can travel safely. These projects often take decades to complete and require cooperation between countries. Canals represent human effort to reshape the world, while natural straits remind us of the power of geography. Together, they create a system that keeps global trade moving every day. These waterways are more than just routes on a map, because they connect economies, influence global power, and show how both nature and human innovation work together to shape the modern world.